This right here next to me, this is a vehicle we picked up from the auction. This is a Chevrolet HHR. I've never owned one yet, seen one in life, but this is it. I'll take you guys around it. Actually, it's not that bad. You know, this is the only body work we're gonna have to fix, but you guys will see what we do with that. Take you around the car. Everything else is pretty straight. The paint's good, tires are good. Back of it, everything's good. The hatch works and everything. Right now I have it under shade because we have to do extreme overhaul on this interior. I'll show them what's going on in there.
Yup.
Big stains, big kids in the back throwing milk and leche everywhere. I'll show them the front seat. I have a bunch of things because that's what I'm about to use. You can see they've even left the McDonald's in there. Nasty ass. But look at these big old stains. Over here. You can see all that. Disgusting. You know, nasty as hell, but the car actually drives really good. We got it, had a full tank of gas. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna go through it, take out all the big stuff we can get out and bring out the vacuum. I got a steamer and stuff, that way we can take care of this plastic, because this is gonna be a 9-day difference. At least I think it's gonna be, because we don't have a extractor right now, so we have to make it work with whatever we got. We're gonna budget on this one. We actually didn't pay much. I'll disclose numbers once it's sold, but I'm excited for this one. Yeah, we'll get back to you when we start. All right, you can see.
Alright, this is a whole nother day. We need to get this door handle. I went to the junkyard and found this one. Boom, pop this piece out, put that in. Call it a day. We got 2 bolts there, 1 bolt right there. Nice and cut. Dave working on the whip because he cracked the ram. Voila! You can see it's on. Holding's off. Get this dumb piece of shit. Watch out, idiot! This was the day that we were detailing the car. He ended up cracking the other rim, so we put the old SLK 55 rim on it.
That's already messed up as well, but it moves.
It still holds air.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. He cracked the rim of this one. Hopefully
The rock cracked it.
you cracked it. Alright, as you can see, it's all cleaned up. I'm about to take this plate off. We did as much as we could right here. That we couldn't really fix much. You can see it. Got floor mats for it. You guys remember what it looked like before. This is the best it's gonna get. Back seat came out really fucking good actually for what we had. Yep. Cleaned up, real nice and clean. Down here we even clean, well sort of, but we're clean. Help you guys up. Nice and cleaned up. You know how I do the motors now. But yeah, we're good. Now I'm gonna drop this off real quick. We're gonna see how much money we make. Nah, I mean, we gotta get this bread now. Shit, we got bills to pay. I got checked in. You can see it back there. No more. Oh, Ice is pulling up right on time. Look at him. What do they call you, the Amazon worker or what? And we're in the Buick. Oh, you guys haven't even seen this vehicle. Oh, it's for sale as well, if you guys are interested. I gotta talk to this lady about the title. It was supposed to get here yesterday. Still hasn't got here, but I'm pretty sure it'll get here tomorrow. So if it gets here tomorrow, they'll be able to tell the auction that title is in the building. I'll talk to you when I get back. All right, went through auction. It didn't sell for what we wanted. There wasn't I don't know, no buyers. I don't know what it was, but it didn't sell for what we wanted. I just picked it up today. Today's Monday, and I actually went through Kelly Blue Book to try to sell it, and I ended up selling through them, Porsche Chapman. So actually Porsche bought it off me. Done, gone, boom, out of here. So yeah, I actually sold the Porsche, and they're gonna put it back into the auction. I mean, we made some money on it. Finally, the car's gone. You know, it's gone now. This week, I'm gonna go back up to the auction, get something else, and see what we get this week. Stay tuned.